to do
If you
with my hands.
can crop out his hands, then it turns out better.
They just turn real awkward or what?
I'm like a girl eating, okay?
So we just got over here.
Yeah.
This is now
Oh, yeah, we're doing the same thing.
Yeah.
Derek's new Civic, right?
Yup.
Derek's new Civic.
Well, Tanya will.
Well, I guess
Maintain the
Tanya.
terms.
Yeah, it's yeah.
Can we call you Danya?
Tanya.
Derek and Tanya? Danya?
So this is the PFC hatch.
Yep.
Now the HAV hatch?
Famous in the Rocky Mountain region.
It'll still be the PFC hatch. Either way.
yeah.
Oh, yeah. No, we honestly were going to crush the car if Derek or somebody that didn't help out before didn't want to buy the car.
Yeah.
Which, and we say buy, he just bought parts.
Insanely sentimental, I guess, about the car. Like it was
Yeah.
always like, you know, a group thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like the backstory on it is like, how did it all start off?
Yeah. It was me, Morgan, Zach, Sinbad, our buddy Scott. A whole bunch of people just wanted to buy a car, a hatch, paint it flat black, and just have fun on the street with it. The ultimate goal was
Allegedly.
11s, yeah.
Allegedly.
The other thing was, 4 of us at the time lived together.
Yes.
Yeah, so
yeah.
it kind of just was in the garage and we were like fucking around with it.
Yeah.
Drinking, of
It
course.
was like if your car broke at first, this is the car you could buy.
Oh yeah, people were
Yeah.
getting to work.
Yeah.
In the winter, no heat.
Yeah, no
Yep.
heat, fucking holes in the floor. Yeah.
It was an auto single cam.
Yep.
Auto single cam.
That was a dude. You could stomp on
17.8.
people on the street in that auto single cam. Like we beat a lot of people. We
It
should.
won
yeah.
more races than it ever.
Oh,
Yeah.
Where were we driving? We had dress clothes on. in this, we were going somewhere. Max, remember this? And we drove through a
Theater, probably.
we drove through a gutter.
We were going for a nice.
We drove through a puddle, and it came up
And
through
it
the floor and
literally-
ruined
it was
somebody's
like-
pants.
Yes.
It
Robert
ruined Robert's pants.
Because it was literally
Muddy
like a
water came
wave
up
somehow just shot up into the car.
Did it have a floor? Like, what do you mean?
And that slowly
Well, there was just a whole
evolved.
bunch of holes.
All those plugs, they were like that are silicone in
Yeah,
from
and
the
then it
factory.
slowly-
We took all those out for racing.
Evolved from a, like an 11 second, 10 second like stock GSR.
Well, it went like, so we had the stock D series in there. It went like 17.6 or something. Put a stock GSR in it, went 14.9.
Put that one in. All the others.
And we would have parties, and like at the parties, we'd have like a big old water jug and be like, hey, if you know, instead of giving us money for booze, just throw money into the, and that's how we bought race car
Paint pen
parts.
to match.
And Honda had a super simple eBay setup, 6-1 on it, and Servion tuned it. And went
Did you say Hellfire?
Yeah, because you guys ran pretty fast on that. Basically,
Yeah,
stock minus
stock
head
motor.
studs, right?
Well, we went with Servion, tuned it on like 12 pounds of boost, and it went 11.0 at 125. Then Derek started coming to the track and helping us turn up the boost and doing boost
Down
controls. Yeah. Down the boost beginning. But yeah, I went 10.5 at 138.
On a stock,
Stock GSR.
it's crazy.
Just
Yeah.
what, head studs? That's
Yeah, head studs and
And
head gasket.
140,000 miles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
140K.
I think we did it when it was
Didn't you guys win an event too?
Yeah, we
Was
won a couple events with that.
That car was pretty badass.
Yeah, and we tried for so long to beat because it ran like that for probably two, 3 years.
Started getting bored.
Yeah.
We were like waiting for it to blow up.
When's it gonna blow up? We were actually happy when it threw a rod.
Yeah. Yeah. That was weird. Probably.
That was the fastest pass on the team. It didn't go 10-1 on that pass.
No, I think,
No,
it was, I think we actually
yeah.
broke it when we turned it up on the dyno.
So we did rod and piston, and it went 10-1, and then we just kept cracking sleeves.
Yeah.
So we finally did a sleeve motor, kept the eBay set up, and put a 67 millimeter on it. Went 9.8 at 148, I think.
Damn.
You know, you're the Rain Man.
Yeah, and then it did go 9.8 at 148, and then
He's looking for verification.
yeah.
He's like, I know, but just let me see.
We finally decided to do a 3-piece front and get rid of the eBay stuff, and went with a T4 instead of a T3. And later that season we went 9.1 at 164 or something like that, and then just it's
That was
sad.
out in Vegas too, huh?
Yeah, it was Vegas.
And that was, they were still stock Honda axles.
Yep.
That's the fastest I've seen stock Honda axles go.
Yep.
As far as
The
I know.
funniest part was with those stock Honda axles. They bought like replacement ones at AutoZone and had like the lifetime warranty.
Oh, yeah.
I remember that from
They just
watching
go get
his
one
videos.
always
There's always
From watching
one
his
cool
videos,
dude
just
at-
always snapping axles.
Yep.
Yeah.
So you guys are-
in a while there where we were struggling.
Yeah, and we had the Liberty in it at that point, and then we finally just kept breaking too many axles when we kept turning the power up, and it was just got annoying. So we bought DSS Pro levels, and then 3 passes after we had the Pro levels, it broke the Liberty for like the millionth time. So we were like, all right, fuck this, we're putting a PPG in it, and ever since then we have
Started
not
getting
broken
really
an axle.
expensive from that.
Yes.
Became
Then it was motors that started being hurt.
one of the fastest sport front wheel drives in Colorado.
Yeah, he
ran in 8.7.
78 at 176.
That thing top end. Holy shit.
Garage built right here in this garage.
Yep. And his dad's garage.
That was time slip. You want all these?
No, if you guys want to keep it over. These are just as sentimental as I am.
Good. 139 in the car now, or doing 135 in the 8. Jesus.
Oh, that's a good
Doing that in the 8th now.
Yeah.
Go to tech.
Yep.
I got that quite a bit for a while.
Yeah. 11.0 124. That was back in the day when we didn't even bring a laptop to the track. I would just try to drive harder, like better, just do better to get a 10-second pass. And do 11.0, 11.0.
Have another beer, give it another try.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Use this, right?
No, we wanted at what's that fucking restaurant that you can play games at?
Oh, the one you can get ringworms at? Dave and Buster's.
That was a prize.
Yeah, it's like really dirty for little kids touching it.
Oh, that makes sense. Alright, what do I do here? I don't buy these things very often.
I don't know.
Oh, I should have answered that. I mean, like, hey, I'm signing the title to my car. And then just hung up.
It says He-Man Woman Haters Club on the window. You
So,
can't arrive in.
what happens if she gaps you on a no prep event?
Then we're living in an imaginary world.
It could happen.
We're living on planet, yeah, right?
She's gonna look at this and be
Aw,
pissed.
look at that baby over there. It's a little tiny baby.
Oh, there's a little baby over there. Look at that.
He makes Max's muscles look huge.
Look at that face.
Watch out, that's a killer pit bull. You're gonna go for your trachea first thing. Pull the whole thing out.
I literally watched that dog fall asleep chewing on.
Yeah.
Dog's gonna fuck you up.
Put it on YouTube, clickbait, dogfight. So what are we testing?
What's a relatively, like, you're gonna find one that's, like, significant.
15.1 was pretty decent. Where's the 14? The 14.7. It should be in a second. Go back like 6.
Can I just pick a date?
Yeah, you could do that. Ooh, 11.0 is probably pretty good.
Yeah, that's a good one. Hey, Max.
What?
What is this? Oh. September 24th, 2008. What was the fastest time the car did?
I'd say 2008.
Yeah, 2008.
11.02.
You did it right.
11:04. That was really close.
Fucking Rain Man in this shit. Jesus Christ.
From 2008. That's 10 years ago.
Yeah, 10 years.
Holy shit.
I remember my fiance's birthday. You need to not show her this video.
Dude, you can't get better than that. That's ridiculous. Oh my god.
That was my final decision on whether I was going to take the time slips or not. I just made sure you had them all in your
He
head.
goes, he probably remembers them all.
Oh shit.
That is insane. Morgan was nice enough because they actually painted. This isn't like flat black, like spray painted or whatever.
It's hot rod black, I think.
Travis painted it, right?
Yeah, Travis painted it.
Travis painted it. So it's actually legit paint, and so he gave me the touch-up paint mark.
It's the last one. The last bit.
It's a really tough.
There is, yep.
It actually is a really tough color.
Can't
to
find that anywhere.
It's a hard color to get.
Yeah.
So I'm glad they gave it to me.
It's a hard
It'll last
color
at
to
least
match.
for a couple scratches.
There you go.
PFC on it too.
Home
A little pink in there.
There you go.
This is automotive shop. But that's like the last one they had.
Yeah. No more of these. That's it. Gotta be careful not to scratch it.
Watch that.
You should have just made a bracelet.
That not looked like you knew what you were doing. That looked like a thing.
That one?
Yeah.
How did I do that?
It's
Whatever
the
you
first
did.
step of tying your shoe. I just did 3 in a row.
Is that what that was? Yeah, that shit looked pretty legit.
I've never been on a boat before.
Every Navy guy is just like, these fucking
Well, see, the problem is that it's supposed to go and almost touch, but what it actually did was this.
And then it went into all the other cylinders.
And then the trash went into the intake manifold and came back through the rest
Sharing
of
is
it.
caring.
Yep, sharing is caring.
Or put the two guys that go to the gym in the back and just go to the front should be almost as light as the back.
Hey, come deadlift this front.
Right? There's a jack right here.
This is better video.
Oh, way better one too. You guys see that? You gonna do one more? Oh yeah.
Frida, what the fuck should you be doing? One hand on the roll cage.
You got one hand on the roll cage, like.
Do it again. Tell me if it's easier.
It's the same.
Wait, stop.
The effort is there.
Yeah, we'll go for it.
I want you to move. Look, I'm burrito.
Look over here. He just sits on it. Should be. We're gonna find out. It's gonna crash tomorrow. Yeah, I think so. Oh, we're sending it. We're sending it.
Oh God! Good fucking lord!
Good.
I saw a couple of last minute correction requests. I didn't really.
No, Travis is just dancing.
At least that bar's pretty beefy.
Are we center enough? I mean, not really.
Oh, it's fine. The slicks are wide.
Just got back to Derek's house with the car. It's late as shit. Gonna unload it real quick and get some food.
I think it's just like rusty.
That's not the car, is it? They leave a rat in there?
Yeah, it does kind of stink, huh?
Going so fast.
It's the fastest you'll ever go. Burn.
That's not bad. That's a good cam sound. Yeah. More sound strong.
Oh, that's heavy. I feel like a horse.
So we just got back. It's pretty late. Everybody's real tired.
A long day.
Yeah, there's a lot of moving cars around. But it is here. And there should be some progress on it here pretty quick.
Yeah, we're gonna turn it around pretty quick. Hopefully.
Yeah, so should be quite a bit of videos on this. Either maybe during partially part of the build and afterwards, of course. So hopefully you guys will be excited about that. But
we'll try to do an interesting setup. Hopefully, I mean, it's not something that you see very often. At least that's what the plan is right now. We'll talk more about that later, but
yeah,
it's should be pretty quick. It's not gonna be anything insane or nothing like that. But
yeah, it's not gonna be like
it will be more than you usually see out of this type of setup. Hopefully.
Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. It'll be cool. I think it'll be a really cool project to be a part of and for you guys to see. So as always, guys, thanks for watching.
Keep you guys updated on everything.
Yeah, we'll try. Till next time.